Hello friends. In last some days I can see in the world that at many democratic systems many anarchists are trying to create disturbances and to show that the democracy is in danger. It is not true. In case of Donald Trump, what had happened in that case, it has been come in light that Black Lives Matter and Antifa were involved in protest and the anarchy was done, and clearly it was a blow to the democracy of US. In that case, the anti-Trump elements had tried to show that this is provocation of Trump. But some elements have seen with the tattoo of a hammer on hands. One person in yellow shirt was seen and another person with the horn shaped design on head had joined that protest. It was clearly indication of involvement of Antifa in the anarchy was happened, and that uh, incident of the blot to the democracy of US. We all know that. So in that means, in that case, we must remember that it was a indirectly provocation of the communist. And now the communists are constantly trying, mostly China's supportive elements are trying to destroy the democracy of India by creating this so-called farmers protest. See, the reason could be true. They may have a problem of the MSP. They may have a problem of the storage of food grains. But it does not mean what they are planning to do. The statement was spoken by Rakesh Tikait that they will continue the protest up to 2024. Means they want to destroy the democracy. They want to show that they are most biggest anarchist in India. They want to show that the government of India have no capacity. Actually, it's a greatness of the government of India that they are not taking any hard steps against these so-called farmer leaders. Actually, here three names are in my list. Hanan Maula. He is a completely clear-cut communist. He had already entered parliament by being elected earlier. The second person, Yogendra Yadav, he was completely thrown by the Aam Aadmi Party, who is not accepted by the Aam Aadmi Party, who was earlier tried to be psephologist in India, who started his Swaraj movement, and every place he is completely failed. Now he is trying to get the attention of the people by creating this anarchist attitude. And as an intelligent, I can't support this anarchist attitude. The name of the Rakesh Tikait, Here is the third person in my list. I have already seen the data that he had earlier fought the election under the name of Rashtriya Lagdol RLD, and he had only got 7,000 to 9,000 votes. Means he is also unaccepted as the representative by the people. Means here the people are, see, Hannan Maula has communist ideology, and in world communists are completely failed at everywhere. They are clearly anarchist. They are unacceptable by every place, by every government. They have been thrown in the waste dustbin, and now they are trying to show their importance. The fourth name is here is Darshanpal Singh. He is trying to show that he is a farmer. He is not a farmer, he is a so-called farm leader, because he has no capacity to establish himself as an intellectual in world. They have tried to show that they are nothing, but the farmers are more important. They have tried to show this, but the reality is they want to create their importance by this incident. And as an intellectual, I want to say to you all, we have to come out to throw these people and never support any communist in India, because communists have destroyed India. One book of Sandeep Dev came in my hand, named as Communisto ki Kahani, means story of the communists. And according to that, I had got the information that Mr. Nehru, our first Prime Minister, had already joined Russian group. Means his own ideology was already turned into the communist. Means very clear that India had in clutch of these so-called socialist, so-called communist and fake congresses. They were not real congresses, because Gandhiji had already insisted to dissolve the Congress, but no one had did it. It means it is very clear that these congresses have turned into the socialist look. Means outside frame as a structure is seen to be congressy, but inner soul has converted into the communist and the socialist. So in that way, we have to come out. We have not to support. Please share my video. These all people, Hannan Maula, Yogendra Yadav, Rakesh Tiket, Darshanpal Singh, are the real culprit behind this whole incident. Please, please, please try to go through the realities and the factual histories of these all four people. Actually, Rakesh Tiket had earlier accepted these laws and supported it. His father, Baba Tiket, was already fighting for the same laws what the government of India have taken steps for the real farmer reforms. See, we are not farmers, but we are eating the food grain which is already come to us, which has been grown up by the sweat and hard work of the farmers. So we must have to support and to see that the farmer must develop, and what the Modi is trying to do so. Right, my friends? So please try to share my video, try to like my video, and try to share the realities of all these four people. Try to see the history of all these four people: Hannan Maula, Yogendra Yadav, Rakesh Tiket and Darshanpal Singh. I have given you names, and if you have possible to read book of संदीप देव, कम्युनिस्टों की कहानी, प्रिंटेड बाय कपोट पब्लिकेशन. I have already gone through the book and got the so many historical fact what the blow communists have done with India. So please support my video and try to share it to so many people. In Ahmedabad, I believe that this is a correct laws made by the government of India for farmers in the reality. Please my friends, share my video and support me subscribing my channel. Thank you.